Managing multiple teams in teamwork.com doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you're coordinating across departments, projects, or time zones, Teamwork provides a powerful platform to keep everything running smoothly. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to effectively manage multiple teams on teamwork.com so you can streamline communication, track progress, and ensure no tasks fall through the cracks. Stick around until the end, and I'll share how you can try this software for free with exclusive bonuses. When managing multiple teams, the first thing you need to focus on is organization. With Teamwork, you can create multiple projects and assign teams to specific ones. This means each team gets a tailored workspace where they can track their tasks, timelines, and communication. Instead of switching between different platforms or software, everything is in one place, which is a huge time saver. Teamwork offers customizable workflows, meaning you can set up different project templates for each team. For instance, if one team is handling client-facing projects and another is working on internal initiatives, you can customize their workflows to match the specific requirements of each group. This ensures that everyone is on the same page, with the right tools and templates to suit their needs. When it comes to communication, Teamwork makes it easy to collaborate across teams. You can set up shared team inboxes, use messaging channels for instant communication, and even have conversations directly in the project task comments. This reduces the need for endless emails, making it easier for everyone to stay updated and avoid miscommunication. But managing multiple teams doesn't just mean tracking projects, it's also about monitoring performance. Teamwork's dashboard feature is a powerful way to get an overview of all your teams and their projects in real time. You can see what's been completed, what's overdue, and what's coming up next, all in one centralized view. This helps you identify any roadblocks or delays early on, so you can adjust your strategy and keep your teams moving forward. For those managing larger teams, Teamwork's permission settings are crucial. You can assign specific roles to team members, determining who can view, edit, or manage certain projects. This gives you complete control over what each team can access, ensuring confidentiality and reducing the chance of errors. Whether you're handling sensitive information or just want to streamline processes, these permissions make managing multiple teams a breeze. Another great feature is the time tracking tool. By using time tracking, you can monitor how much time each team is spending on different tasks. This is especially useful when managing multiple teams with varying workloads, as it helps you allocate resources more efficiently. You'll get insights into how well your teams are performing and where adjustments need to be made to improve efficiency. One of the most powerful aspects of Teamwork is its integration capabilities. You can integrate Teamwork with other tools your teams are already using, like Slack, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams. This seamless integration ensures that your teams can continue using the tools they're familiar with while having everything linked to your Teamwork workspace. This further simplifies managing multiple teams, as it creates a unified system where all the tools work together. Now, if you're new to the software, don't worry. You can try Teamwork for free using the first link in the description below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be up and running in no time. By signing up through our link, you get access to an extended free trial, so you can explore all the features that will help you manage your teams more effectively. Remember, managing multiple teams doesn't have to be complicated. With Teamwork, you get the tools you need to keep your projects organized, teams communicating effectively, and performance tracked with ease. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial today. Don't miss out on the exclusive bonuses available through our link. With that, you're all set to make managing your teams a smooth and efficient process. Happy team managing.